See, once again, if you are a new customer, just do one thing: how to connect a domain or anything. Just go to the knowledge base and search for whatever you want, right? Let's say you search for domain, how to connect a domain with your landing page, right? So you will be able to find the step-by-step instructions how to connect a domain, right? So we have given the step-by-step instructions for every single thing that you are looking forward to, and step by step for co, it's like you can type just any keyword over here, right? How to integrate a domain with flexi, like everything is added inside the knowledge base with the videos as well, right? So what to do or how to do step by step. Or if you are still getting stuck, just come back to the FlexiFunnels dashboard, just reach out to the team, just message over here, and we have a live chat support team inside FlexiFunnels, which replies to you within 3 minutes, at a specific timing. As per the Indian timing, currently from morning 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. on Monday to Saturday, and 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. on Sunday. So they are here to help you. You can also book a call. So yeah, so like see, the instructions are very clear in itself. You can just go to knowledge base and do it yourself. It is going to be very very clear by itself. And if you still need help, you can reach out to them. They can debug if there is any issue, or they will send you the exact article link that you can follow.